Welcome to my dear lovely student. Thank you very much. For the first time, I present here. I am Muhammad Waliul Islam, assistant teacher of Patkilghata Government Primary School, Tala, Satkhira. So, at first, before starting my class, I'd like to give thanks to Badalgasi Online School. Give me chance here, and actually I am so grateful, and I would like to give thanks again to Honorable Sir Dewan Abu Huraira Bacha, assistant teacher, ICT teachers, Badalgachi Lavanya Prabha Pilot Girls High School, Nauga. So, student, I am Waliul Islam. Actually, you have known it. I am staying here because I have to come here from the long way from Satkhira here. Actually, here is my father-in-law house. So, many thanks to include me here. So, my dear lovely student, actually today I am going to take a class of class 5 and subject English, and today's topic I have decided already, it's the rearrange. Okay, so I think in the class 5 the rearrange is the very important part of the PEC exam. Actually, this year not held here, but we have to practice more and more. So today's topic is rearrange. Today's topic is rearrange. Now right here, rearrange. Okay, my dear lovely student in front of me. So I think rearrange, and you know already, rearrange is the very important part. Actually, in our primary level, class 5, actually discuss the rearrange area, and not only in class 5, it practiced from class 3 or 4. But actually here the class 5. Here is the whole discussion about rearrange. So, my dear lovely student, you know there are 3 types of rearrange. Actually, we see here 3 types of actually the word rearrange. That means rearrange the letter and make word. Another, rearrange the word and make a sentence. This is the 2. And number 3, rearrange the sentence and make a meaningful story. Yeah, I think you are clear. So there are 3 types of rearrange we see: letter rearrange, word rearrange, and sentence rearrange. So today is the most important, the word rearrange. So we make a word rearrange and make a complete sentence. That is a complete sense of sentence. That is a sentence. So today we are going to discuss about word rearrange and make sentence. Okay, my dear lovely student. So at first I write here first option, number 1. So I write here some word and you rearrange it and I help you. Okay. So at first very carefully you look, my dear students. At first you also write your khata. At first we can write leave. Okay, leave. Then I leave. I Dhaka in, and then full stop at the end of the or sentence, like when it will be sentence, the last is, here is full stop. So it's the very important. Sometimes full stop, sometimes the exclamatory sign, and sometimes the question mark. So it depends how we are going to arrange the sentence. If the full stop, then the completing sentence. If the question mark, then the interrogative sentence, and the exclamation mark, then we, of course, it will be the exclamatory sentence. So here is the only full stop. Answer. One by one we answer here. Okay, answer. So my dear lovely student, just you see, at first the word is here, live. Then I, then Dhaka, and last in. So you very carefully observe the word and try to make a sentence. Yes, I think already you are trying with me. So it's the very common sentence. And my request to you to please, my dear students, if you do well it better, I think you should be practice more and more, then it will be clear. There are available common real sentence in your exercise book, but you have to practice more and more. Yes. So my dear lovely student, now we now complete this sentence. So at first here the subject, at first I think if the full stop is last, so at first we choose the subject. Yes, I think first subject is I. Then as usual the sentence pattern. After the subject we as usual write a verb. So here the main verb is, yes, live. Okay, so I live. The rest of the two word, in and Dhaka. So I think it's very easy for you. Yes, so I live in Dhaka. Very easy. Don't be nervous to completing this type of making the completive sense, my dear lovely student. So in this way we can complete and rearrange and make the sentence fully. I live in Dhaka. Yes. Okay. So nextly, number two, please you also write with me to your note khata. At first, you, okay, then where, then live, then do, you, where, live, do, and the last important mark, question mark, interrogative mark, question mark, that is. So again very carefully, my dear lovely student, see it. At first you, where, live, do, and lastly the question mark. So if the question mark, so the sentence must be interrogative sentence. Yes. So if you see that there is a WH question word like where, who is, what, when, where, so this type word is called the WH question word. So we are very sure that at first here we write where. Okay, so answer is where, you, live, do. So firstly where, so who is, what, where, and after here the live and do, the two auxiliary verb and main verb. So after the where we use or we write the auxiliary verb. So do. Then of course to we have already right here, where do, then you, and lastly live. So my beloved student, in this way we can easily complete and rearrange the word and make sentence. Okay, so where do you live? Clear? Okay. So my dear lovely student, number 3, very lion the first is, and last is full stop. Very lion the first is. Okay. So here you see last, after the our query, last is full stop. So actually it will be a comparative assertive sentence. Okay. So at first we select here the subject. So very lion the first is. Of course you think and also agree with me, here is the subject lion. So lion, and here also the, so actually it will be the include and indicate the definite it. So at first here come the, okay, the lion, totally you include it, the lion, the lion. Then verb, here is only one verb, is. Then fast and very. So of course very, and lastly fast. Okay, I think the lion is very fast. So my dear lovely student, in this way we can easily complete and make sentence. Again I request you, if you do well, we have to practice more and more, and we have to look through the whole exercise book, because in our EFT book it arranged step by step and available common sentence in this type we can see. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. Number 4, like first do, then what, you, then like, and then the question mark. Do what you like. My request you to another, that when you think that it is not common, it looks the uneasy, then you read more and more. Then once a time you see that it is very clear and it is very familiar also to you. Okay, so do what you like. Again, do what you like. Okay, I think so here the answer will be, at first here you see that the what, because it's the W is what. So W is what at first come here. What, then auxiliary do, auxiliary verb do, then you, then main verb like. It's also pattern, common pattern of question mark type. Okay, so what do you like? So my dear lovely student, again we practice it. Live I Dhaka in, I live in Dhaka. You where live do, where do you live? Very lion the fast is, the lion is very fast. Do what you like, what do you my dear lovely student, just it for practice. Again I say, I all time say it, practice more and more, then all will be clear. So I think another one or two example I give here, then we close our today's this live class. Okay, number 5, my dear lovely students, you try to write with me. Number 5, actually number 5, this the Roman letter 5. Okay, number 5 here is are playing they football, and then full stop. So at last the full stop, it is very easy to us to solve. So answer is, at first here you select the subject. So of course, my dear lovely students, you already find out or select the subject. The subject is they. So at first they, then verb. So here are auxiliary and main verb available. So auxiliary verb first. So they are, and then playing, they are playing, and the last here football. Okay, so my dear student, actually we practice here 1 to 5. Now I give you just 1 or 2 or 3 sentences for homework to your khata, and my next class we discuss it and you try to solve it. This is the homework for you. Homework, that means HW. Number 1. Okay, A never lie tell. Okay, A never lie tell, and then full stop. Number 2. Is she fast very? Is she fast very? Okay. And number 3, only 3 for you today. I give you for the homework. do whom want you, and then the question mark. Okay, whom want you. Again, I repeat it. Number 1, A never tell lie. Is she fast way? Do whom want you. So, my dear lovely student, now today I have discussed about very important part of the your English subject, that is rearrange. So we discussed, and at last I give you only 3 SW tasks here. So I think you try it, you try to solve it, and next class we discuss about it. So thank you very much. No more today. I am also say you that I am also grateful to the concerned authority of Badalgachi Online School for the first time I include here, and also involve here to taking class. So special thanks to Abu Huraya Badshah sir. Nextly, if I will be present, then staying, and also I'll take the live class here. Thank you. Okay, see you next.